Assalamu alaikum viewers. I made a program for rotary encoder, optical rotary encoder, both way. It can increase and decrease the value, and I will show you demonstration on PLC. This is the encoder, two-phase encoder, and this is the connection. This is the program. I will show you one by one. Also, I will show you on PLC, Delta PLC DVP 14SS2 transistor type, T type, and this is the setup. This is the lights indicator. This is the PLC, and now I am going to rotate this by hand. This encoder. See this light will switch on and switch off one by one as I increase the value. See this, the first one, this light is blinking and now start. Now the second one will start. See, now the third one will start. See this, now the fourth one will start. Now the fifth one will start, and now the final fifth start. Now one by one I am rotating the another side. One by one it will switch off. See this switch off, this also switching off. Now this switching off, this switch off, I'll switch off. And I can see also on PLC output, the input is blinking. Now also output, you can see output also on the PLC. Now I will show you on the laptop how it works. See this. This is the setup for the two-phase encoder, rotary encoder, optical type, and this is the program. You can see also here on the screen. You can see the output one by one increase. Now I am going to rotate it. First I will reset it. This is the reset button. This is reset, and I will rotate it. See this. As I rotate it, the output will be on. See this, first on, second on, third on, fourth, fifth, sixth. So see, this is the value changing and also switching on and off. You can see value also. See this setting. See this. Now I will show you again. Now increasing. I am increasing. Further increasing. Now I am going to decrease now. See this. I am rotating on another side. This is the program for rotary encoder program on the Delta PLC, and this is the setup. Now all outputs are off. Once more I will show you from a distance. Now it will increase. See this, first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. Now I am gradually decreasing. See this, one by one light switching off. See this.